Isn't she the cutest? She just sounds so sweet. My goodness, just like the sound of music. It's like music to my soul. I can just hear you snore all day, baby girl. I'm so in love. I love you. Oh, what's the meaning of this now, eh? Somebody cannot even sleep in peace inside his own house again. Oh, hello, wake up, please. Babe, what's the matter? This one that you are snoring and sounding like a tractor. Now you are even changing gears inside your sleep. What's the meaning of this? I want to sleep, please. If you don't want us to fight this early morning, please just reduce your snoring. In fact, turn it off completely. If I hear you snore again, there will be a problem here. Okay.